Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. Today I will show you how to find the Instagram user from your contacts list. Go to the Instagram app from your apps list. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. From your profile, tap on Following. Here you can find an option Connect Contacts. Tap on the Connect button. A pop-up window will open. Tap on Get Started. Tap on Allow. And you can see you have 23 Instagram users from your contact list. You can follow them by tapping on the follow button. So in this way you can find Instagram users from your contacts list. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.